Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje here. Today's video is going to be my first impression of the January 2018 magazine of the Knipmode. Here it is. Here is the grand reveal. This is it. It says this time they have the 10 best wishes, like subscription wishes. So you can write into the Knipmode and tell them like, I would like to see a little black dress in the magazine. And what they did is they selected the 10 best pattern and placed it in this magazine. Let's see. Okay, so the first one is a best pattern. They tell you exactly from whom it is, so who was selected, and it is a dress. And what is fun is they called the dress the name of the person that selected it. That is fun. This is definitely a homage. I think it's homage to the people that are readers, that are subscribers. This is definitely giving back. I like this one. So it's called Dress Loose. I like the color blocking on this dress. It's not my cup of tea, but it does have something very nice. I think those shoes were the shoes from last edition. Okay, cool. I wish they would have had the blouse though. I really like the blouse, but it seems like the blouse, oh, it's from Benetton. Okay. Well, definitely an inspiration. We have dress Jantiene. All right. I like her dress though. A polo dress. Yet I think because of the pattern and the belt, so it's really cinching the waist, it seems like it is a nice dress. It could be a nice fit as well. I really like it. The only thing that I'm not really sure about, I think if the sleeves were not 3/4 but full sleeves, I would have liked it more. Wow. I think it's the fabric. I think it's the fabric because when I look at the drawing, I don't really like it, but the fabric makes it definitely worth it. And this is skirt Edith, yeah. I like it. I wonder what fabric it is. I'm going to insert what fabric it is because I do like it though. The fabric is nice. I kind of feel like the fabric is, oh, it's a soft tricot. That's what it is. Yeah. Keeps shape, drapes nice. Okay, I like it. And it doesn't seem like it's see-through, which is good. I really like this dress. Lola. Lola is fun, by the way. Lola is fun. I like Lola. Janice is back. Oh, it's not a trench coat. It's a dress. Oh. Stretch satin. All right. All right. I like it, but I really thought it was a trench coat. Maybe it's a trend dress. But he's trying to bring 80s back. Now, I'm an 80s baby, so I am feeling that. Yeah, it's a trench. It's a trench dress. I like it though. I like the color that he chose. Not really a color that I would go for in the winter time, but then again, why stick with the normal if you can? Why stick with the norm if it could just be, you know, extraordinary? Yes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have one pattern, 6 different ways. No, 2 patterns, 6 different ways. A skirt, oh, and a sweater. I wonder if I have enough fabric for this sweater because I like the sweater though. The sweater has like it's not off the shoulder, but it does have something. And this sweater is from Bonne. I think it's Bonne. The skirt is from Yara. Yeah, I like the skirt. I like the sweater as well. The sweater is cute. I like the it's not a collar, it's a collar slash off the shoulder confusion. But I like it. I really do. You can even belt it. Oh my. Not sure about the belting though. Okay. Eye catcher. You guys. It seems like they did a color blocking type of dress, which is fun. And Joanne, she wanted a dress that has a color blocking waist. The only thing what I think it's a problem with is it does accentuate your waist. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't really feel comfortable with that, I can imagine that you might not go for this dress. Besides the fact that it is flashy. Not offending anyone, people, but it's definitely flashy. I'm not sure. I'm on the fence with this one. I am. But in any case, you can do you. We have a jumpsuit from Jada. I like the jumpsuit. It's cute. Yeah, it's cute. They styled it nice as well. So they have a... Oh, Monique is giving us tips on how to resize the upper part of the sleeves. Very interesting. Lola. I think I really like Lola. I like Lola. Lola even have pockets. I'm all for pockets. Oh, this is what they call sweet winter. Well, flowers are in for winter. We all know that. So that's good. But, oh, this selection kind of gives you the feeling of spring together with I really like this. This is fun. So let's see. Whoa. What is this? A plissé skirt in the winter time with flowers? Oh my goodness. This is outside of my comfort zone, but I do like it. I do like it. So the skirt that I'm talking about is from Goldie, and they styled it with a sweater from Ester? Ester, yeah. No, not a sweater. Is it a blazer or a cardigan from Ester? I'm not sure about the combination. Well, I'm not sure about the Ester cardigan. I think it would have been nicer if they had leave the cardigan behind or had opened it, you know, because it seems like it's too... I'm slowly becoming a stylist as well. I think it feels like it's too constricted. It should have been a little more, since the skirt is really flowy, the top part should have been like, I think a little more put together, but not as much. The solid color I like, but I do like the blouse that she has under it better than the cardigan. So Goldie is styled again with a, oh, with sewy. Okay, I'm talking about skirt and a blazer. I'm getting very familiar and very friendly at the end of the magazine, so hey, bear with me. Then again, when you combine Ester with Lola, they really look good, and they could be a really nice work outfit. I think that looks much better than Goldie with Ester, and I feel like they should have, because they have a picture here with Zoe and Goldie, and I think they should have, but the picture is cut off. As you can see, the the picture is kind of, no, I don't think I'm going to insert this picture. The picture is cut off, so her legs are not in the frame. And I think it would have been better because then you could see the entire outfit and I could kind of feel like where they're going. I feel like I need the entire outfit to judge if this combination would have been the perfect combination or acceptable in my eyes. But not for every reader, right? It's just for me. But Lola is definitely a keeper. And we're ending with... Whoa! But why? I'm so distracted by the style that I cannot focus on the pattern. Why? Why would they do this? Remember, when I'm being critical, I need to be constructive. So what would I have matched this one with? How would I have styled it? I definitely would not have gone with the green stocking and the green shoes and the lime green shoes and the green skirt and the green, I think it's waist or accent. It's too much. What would I have done? I would definitely keep the top with the skirt, and I would wear a stocking, probably black, but then I'll do a over the knee. This is too much. This is too much. Okay, I'm letting it go. Yeah, let me not focus anymore. These are the shoes that they needed to, oh my goodness. If they had combined the combination with these shoes, it would have been perfect. I can't let it go. We have to go back. So, what I was talking about, the whole green combination, if they had combined it with an ankle boots and then be it brown or even green, but then ditch the green stocking, put a nude one or a black one, it would have been good. Yes. Okay, as always, this video is not sponsored. I am subscribed. I am paying my bill. This is from my own coin. And as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And have a great day. Bye.